Hi guys, this is Axel from African Drone Voice. So I'm with Ed Klinger. He's the CEO of Flock, the biggest drone insurance company in UK. It's brilliant, trying to make drone operations more secure and efficient. So Ed, can you explain more about your brilliant product?
Yes, so firstly, thanks very much for having me. It's a real honour to be on the show. You're famous at Flock HQ here in London. We all know you, we've all watched your show before, and we've seen your posts and updates on LinkedIn. So it's a huge honour to be here speaking with you and telling you more about Flock. Let me give you a quick basic understanding of what we do at Flock. So we're a insurance broker, but we do insurance in a very, very different way to most insurance brokers and most insurance companies. What we do is we insure drone flights by the hour rather than by the year. And the way that we do that is by pricing insurance in real time. So we will price an insurance policy for a specific flight instead of for an entire year of flights. And that means we can do insurance in a much more bespoke and very, very accurate way. To help you understand how that actually works, we are a technology company, we're a data company, and we use real-time data to understand risk. So if you're flying from A to B or in a certain location, what we'll do is we'll take data from your location, things like wind speed and weather data and temperature data, things like location data. Are you flying near a prison or a hospital or a busy road or a school? And we use that data to build a risk profile of your flight in real time. And this isn't done by actuaries or data scientists sitting at their computers and figuring it out. It's obviously all done completely automatically and digitally. So as a result of that, we've been able to analyze over 1 million flights, and we've insured tens of thousands of flights, and we have thousands of customers here in the UK and across Europe, and now some in Africa and some in Asia. So as we expand our geographical reach, we're seeing some of the most incredible, innovative use cases in the drone industry. They're starting to come to us for their insurance products because we're able to offer them this incredibly bespoke, customized insurance product for every single one of their flights on a flight-by-flight basis. So that's a very high-level summary of what we do at Flock. We've covered companies from the BBC to Netflix to, as you said, the Africa Drone Forum, and we're very privileged because we get to see some of the most interesting use cases in the drone industry and interact with some of the most incredible customers who are using drones for all kinds of purposes. So it's a very fun job.
Okay, this is amazing. I like the fact how you emphasized on you use the data, that the sensor data, the geolocation of the customer to know where they are exactly and how they're flying, for you to make an insurance that is customized for them. So it means that data is very valuable for you guys when it comes to running your drone insurance company, right?
Yes, so exactly. We are a data company. We don't really see ourselves as a traditional insurance company or insurance broker. We see ourselves more like a technology company. We actually started as 2 academic research projects, one taking place at Imperial College London, the other taking place at Cambridge University. And that's how we actually started. We only went into insurance after a year when we realized that the data we were collecting was so valuable for the insurance industry.
Okay, that's amazing. I also saw online, I think that's 1 month ago, when you proposed £10,000 that you were giving for free to companies that are involved in fighting COVID-19 or carrying out operations that are helping out to limit its spread. So how are you doing that? Can you explain more on that?
Yes, so we've been monitoring the effects of COVID-19 on the drone industry quite closely. Remember, we collect data about every single flight of all of our customers, so we can actually see when the drone industry is dipping, when it's accelerating, and so on. So we started realizing that there were less and less flights taking place as a result of COVID-19. And we feel like the drone industry has been very, very good to us. We've worked with a range of customers, like I said. We've won a range of awards. We've been on stage at various events and have received fantastic input from the industry and help from the industry as we've grown our business. And so we really felt the need to, in the drone industry's time of need, so to speak, to actually give back and say, look, you've been a fantastic industry to us. We have a fund available to actually insure drone operations for free if they are actively helping the situation with coronavirus.
And thanks for opening people's minds to learn what the value of data and how you can apply insurance customized to that. So pleasure having you here.